Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas. A special day today, a special Founder Members Day. But, of course, we've seen the market go down. Now, here's my 10% collapse I'm talking about. I predicted this last week because the CPI inflation numbers have come in hot today. But this is an overreaction, and let me explain. Not all is bad, but the market priced in things improving. They haven't improved. They haven't got worse, though. They're the same. They're the same. Inflation is sticky. We've known this. So this might mean now we don't get rate cuts in the summer. I think we still will, because the pain is getting deeper and deeper and it's having more effect. There's a lagging effect on interest rates, and I think we're still going to get a rate cut of the smallest amount of 0.25%. But right now we've seen the markets drop. This is now an opportunity to buy the to buy the dip, in my opinion. Let's have a look at it. You can see it's dropped by quite a bit. Yep, I'm down quite a bit. Now, I've only got another 11 days to go before I get paid once again. I get paid every month on the 21st from YouTube. And what I might do now, as the market is overreacting to this, because it is a drop, there's no doubt about it, this could be a chance now to buy more of the S&P. Let's have a little look at where we are today. If we look here, we've got the S&P is down nearly 1%. Now, I just recently bought more S&P using margin, paying 8%, about 40 cents a day. But that's okay, because for the 20 days I'm doing it, I'm going to earn that on the dividends for those stocks that I'm buying. So I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. In fact, anything I can buy on margin today will cost me about the interest rate between now and then. So it pays for itself. Okay, I bought 4. I'm going to earn about $6 or thereabouts in dividends, and I'm going to pay about $6 in interest. I just bought 4 at 471.92, 472. So we're still above that. So we want to hold. It's a drop, but it's not enough. Hopefully on the bell, we'll get a bit of a flash crash. I don't think it's that bad, though. I don't think it's necessary a major deal. I'm not surprised it's gone down, because the markets have overreacted, because that's what they do, because they were expecting a cut, and it's the same. If it had been worse, that would have been a real problem, but it's not. It's not. It's simply what I expected. It's the same. The market has overreacted because it priced in it being better when it's not. Let me share with you the numbers so all this comes into context. Let me put it out here. Here we go. So, right, here we go. Here are the numbers. Now then, we've got core inflation year on year, 3.8. It was 3.8 before, but we were hoping for 3.7. So we priced in a bigger drop, but actually it's 3.8. So it stayed the same. Now, of course, we want to see it come down. It hasn't come down, but remember, prices keep going up. So, in fact, overall, it's come down because we've got the same as before. 3.8 is actually, in real terms, slightly less, because things keep going up and we've just kept the same rate. So at the end of the day, we priced in 3.7, we got 3.8. 3.9 would have been a disaster. The market would have been down 10% today, because it would have been a big crash straight away, because they know inflation is actually rising. It's 3.8. If we look at the inflation rate month on month, it's 0.4. Again, the same as last month. We were expecting 0.3, so the market rallied and priced in a 0.3. In fact, we got a 0.4. So again, not any worse, the same. What is worrying, though, inflation rate year on year, this is the one, it was 3.2. We were expecting to see 3.4. we've got 3.5. That's what's scaring the market. That is what could bring us down today. Now, I've said a correction can come for 10%. I hope it does. It'll take basically all of my S&P back down to negative. I'm up about 8.5% of what I was. I'm now up about 7%, I would imagine, overall. But this could, if we get a 10% crash from here, it'll bring me down to about 2% below. And of course, that would be turn on the margin more and buy more the S&P. But remember, I've got to be able to pay it off within a short period of time. If I buy $20,000 of the S&P and it takes me 3 or 4 or 5 months to pay it off, it's not going to cover the dividends that I'm going to earn on the first time round. Of course, long term it will, and the stock will go up again. But I want to be able to, if I'm going to buy the S&P, I want to be able to get back the cost of the interest immediately. So if it costs me $6 in interest to buy it, I want to earn $6 on the next payout from the dividends. So if I go up, then that's a bonus, but at least it cost me nothing and I was able to buy the S&P at a cheaper price. So that's what I'm looking to do, but you can't just, buy infinitely. Even though I've got $100,000 available, there we go. So there is the update this morning. That's the update with inflation. It is a bit of a scary one. That's my strategy. What are you doing? Click above my head, down below in the description. Over here and over here is a big day today on our show. It's Members Day. Founders Members Day comes once in a lifetime, and it's the first time and last time ever on the Extra channel. This is the Extra channel, and in just a few moments' time, we will be announcing the membership for the very first time and the very last time. It can only happen on day one. The founder members. That's all happening. That's about to happen in just. Well, what is the time now? In just under 45 minutes. Anyway, until next time, as always, that's my strategy. Not to worry, really. The overall, the 3.5 was a bit of a concern, but this will present opportunity today for you to get the markets cheaper. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay. Let's read the comments. Good morning, Henrik. Good morning, Octavio. Hit the like button, Stacey Bailey. It's a beautiful morning. Hi, Eric, Jose, David, Stacey, Octavio, Henrik, John, Rallo. Hi, Mike. Hi, Mike. How you doing? Lovely to see you. So the market is going down. Let's go through all our positions. This will put a lot of pressure now on Virgin Galactic. There you go, $1.15. I could see it going under $1 today with this news. Palantir is down today. Gold is down slightly. The S&P is down 1.38 now. There you go. It's under the price that I bought it from recently. So now we could be buying more. All right. So what we're going to do now is wait for the reaction and pick up some more. All right. It's got to go down 5%. It's got to go down, got to go down 5%. If I'm going to use more margin, it's got to go down 5%. There's absolutely no point doing it where it is now. This is just slightly lower than what I've just bought in. So we'll see. Anyway, Amazon going down today, no surprise. Apple going down. Let me jump into Bloomberg as well. Let's hear all this.
Keeping the labor market tighter than it would normally have been if they didn't have this degree of forward guidance. The dots are a bad concept. They shouldn't be there. They lead the market in a direction that they should not go. This has been a mistake since it was created by Janet Yellen. Nobody at the Fed has backed away from it. The reality is I hope when they sit down and review it next year, they realize this is a dumb thing and they walk away from it.
David, do you agree? Do the dots just create this, problems within the financial markets?
No, I don't really have I don't have a problem with their transparency. I do have a problem with overly active monetary policy. I think that we assume, Steve, you were talking about how their monetary policy has kept their forward guidance has kept unemployment tight. I don't think that their forward guidance and rates is having that much of an impact on actual macroeconomic GDP growth.
Everything's going to drop
because
today.
Because if that were the case, the fact that they've raised rates so much over the last 2 years ought to have slowed GDP growth down, and it didn't. So I think the Fed has a big effect on financial markets. You can see that today. I don't think they're having a huge effect on the economy. I do think that some of the ways that the Labour Department, despite the fact that it's an index, the way they measure inflation is adding some bumps to the bumpiness here. These
Tesla
are manufactured
down
bumps. It's
2%.
kind of like, roadworks in New York City. It's not just potholes. It's actually roadworks that's creating these bumps. So I think the Bureau of Labour Statistics themselves are responsible for some of the bumps here. I do, though, think this is a fundamentally disinflationary economy.
Oh, 21%
Inflation is coming down
Destiny.
slowly, and I just worry about an overactive monetary policy, which we've had for many years, which basically distorts financial markets for no good economic purpose.
And you talk about running a marathon. You have to fuel yourself before you break down. So if June is slamming the door, you think you slam the door against June, when do you think the Fed should have to step in?
Well, I personally, I think I'd rather them get going slowly and sort of send the message, look, please pay no attention to this. We're not easing, we're just normalizing. I'd like them to sort of message that way. But yes, I do think that they ought to try to get to normal before they need to, because someday we're going to be sitting around this table and the Fed's going to be at a high level and suddenly the floor has fallen out for some shock or something, and so we're facing the possibility of recession. Then the Fed says, oh, we've got lots of ammunition, we can cut rates fast. But I have never seen that one work out well. If the Fed has to cut rates a lot in an aggressive, responsive way, it always hurts the economy. So I'd rather they just gradually get back to a normal place. But obviously this morning's data doesn't help them do that.
I keep watching the markets right now, and after we got this hotter than expected print across the board, yields continuing to climb, almost really pushing up toward that 5% level, 4.93%, the highs of 2024. I'm also watching the Russell 2000. And Steve, I'd love your idea of this. You say a hot landing. And this raises a question of what this landing is going to look like if you do see some of the smaller companies continuing to be pressured, given the fact that the Fed really just lost their excuse to cut in June. As we heard from David, that was the sound of the door slamming shut on a June rate cut.
Yeah, again, this is the problem the Fed's created. So the reality is smaller companies get squeezed because they don't have
Here
the
was
pricing
my
power, but
5
they're
days
gonna
ago.
cost in
Here was
the
my
wage
prediction
cost
for it.
environment. And that's squeezing the profitability. And this is something I think the Fed really
There you
thinks
go.
they're
5
attempting
days
to do.
ago,
They're
I said
attempting to create an
10%
environment
crash.
where, David
Here it
I'm in the
comes.
camp that longer term there are global
down now nearly
deflationary
2%
stories.
on the
The problem is
S&P.
there are a lot of domestic
So it's
cyclical
great.
inflationary
This
stories.
is
And it's a
what I
battle
planned
between
for,
the
what I
global
budgeted
deflation
for.
versus the
I'm
domestic
ready to
cyclical.
buy.
And this is a battle
This
that's
is what
been
we're going to
going on,
get.
and the currency's been somewhat of the equilibrated between the two of them. But the reality of the situation is the domestic cyclical dominates more than the global deflationary over time. And the other thing is the Fed keeps on missing the importance of fiscal policy in this equation. It's not only monetary policy that continues to stimulate the economy, it's fiscal policy that continues to stimulate the economy. And therefore, the Federal Reserve's concept of what their neutral rate is, the natural rate that they're looking for, or R start, I think is incorrect. I think R start is substantially higher. I think the level of rates that needs to be in
So as we fall down, we'll buy the dip. We'll buy the
is
dip.
substantially higher than the Fed is assuming. And I do believe the market prices the dots. And that's a problem. The market takes a look at the dots and says the dots are this, and this is what we price in as soon as it happens. So the forward structure of rates anticipates the dots, and that's a problem, which is why they should be eliminated.
Let's talk about the price of fiscal policy right now. Can we bring up the bond board? This move at the front end of the yield curve, we're talking about a 20 basis point move on a 2-year yield. We took out 480, we took out 490, we're at 493.49. We're at 14 on a 10-year.
It's going to be a tough day today.
450.
Great though, red days are good.
450,
it's what we want.
29. Pass that through to foreign exchange. The dollar's stronger against absolutely everything. Dollar yen took out 152. The euro broke lower to about 107.85. We're negative 0.7% there. And if you are just joining us, we said earlier this morning, it's quiet now, wait until 8:30. This one's loud. Big move. 0.4% is the number. The estimate was 0.3. Mike McKee, I want to come back to you. You've had much more time now. What's standing out to you? How difficult does this make life for Chairman Powell next time we hear from him?
You know, it makes it a little bit of a public difference, but I don't think it's going to make as much of a difference inside the Fed, in part because of what both
they won't
David
raise
and
rates,
Steve
it'll just
are
be longer.
saying about the idea that this is not driven by a particular thing, but by several broader categories. When you look, and this gets very nerdy, but this is where we are these days, a lot of people looking at the 3-digit numbers for the changes, and we actually see headline go down from 3.0
It's bouncing up now.
4.0 to 3.78, which
I'm
rounds
going to wait
up to
until
4.
8:30 to buy
And
more, though.
We see the slight rise in the core from 3.58 to 3.59. So it doesn't suggest inflation is reversing tremendously because of the rounding, but it does suggest that we have stalled out. And that's going to be the interesting thing for Fed officials to address. It probably means fewer rate cuts because they're not making progress, so it's going to be higher for longer.
Mike McKee, I want to talk about that decimal point. We'll do that with David Kelly. David, let's talk about it. This is an email I got just moments ago. Core CPI month over month was 0.359, which gets rounded up to 0.4.
Yeah.
You know, you come in a little bit lower, you get rounded down to 0.3. Does that make a difference to you? Does that change the conversation in any way, shape or form?
Right, so let's come off this then for a minute.
I think the other thing is, in any inflation rate between 2 and 3%, on the consumption phase, I regard as basically okay. I mean, I think the Fed is a little too focused on getting to precisely 2%, just as I think they were in the last decade trying to raise rates up to 2%. I think trying to manipulate monetary policy, get rates, inflation right down to 2%.
Okay, let me just mute that a second. Let me just see where my window's gone. Where's my window gone? I've just lost a window, a chat window. Just bear with me a second. Window. Where is the... comments and reaction. There it is. No idea what happened there. Anyway, so what we've got now is the reaction. I'm going to wait until 8:30, see how the market goes, but it's not worth me buying more. Remember, I'm going to be paying interest 8% for the next 11 days, which is 40 cents a day. I don't mind if it drops further, but at the moment this is my entry. This is where I've been. I've bought my last round of the S&P. It's gone down 1.27. It was down nearly 2%. It's picked up a little bit. So we're going to wait and see. There's no point jumping all in with margin until it goes down significantly more. But then anyway, there we go. I don't want a red day, says Raman. Wow, today is gnarly. Blood eclipse, time to average down. That's right. It is. It's an opportunity. I like red days. Red days is when you improve your positions. We all want to buy stocks what they were 10, 20 years ago. We want a crash. If you're just coming into the market, that's exactly what you do want. You don't want to be paying the latest prices, of course. You want the cheapest prices. That's how you make money going forward. Anyway, we're starting to get a slight rebound now, but I think it's an overreaction. This is what the market does. Two out of the 3 metrics stayed the same. It does look like we're not going to get a rate cut, though, in June, which is I've been predicting now for the longest time. But yeah, anything that's speculative, like Virgin Galactic, well, that's under $1 today, unfortunately. Now, you might regard that as good. The company's the same, hasn't changed, but what it means is rates are going to stay up for longer. That's what it means. More pain for those borrowing money. So if you've got a company that's borrowing money, then there's going to be some pain today. No doubt about that. All right. Let me just read the comments over. In fact, can I bring these comments on the screen? Yeah, I can. These are my comments this morning in the extra channel. We've got Sebastian wants me to drink a Stella Artois. I love Stella Artois. I haven't got one right now. Send me an Amazon gift card. And you said you want to. Someone said to me the other day they wanted to buy me some beer. If you want to buy me some beer, my email is martyn@martynlucas.com. You can do me an Amazon gift card, and you can put in the gift card what you want me to buy. Like you say, look, I want you to buy some Stella Artois, and I'll order it on Amazon. How about that? So if you want to buy me a drink, physically buy me a drink. Someone said the other day, how can I actually buy you a drink? How can I actually, send you a gift? If you want to do that, you can do a Amazon gift card. Email it to me, martyn@martynlucas.com. Put in the gift card what it is you want me to get, like Stella Artois from Sebastian, and I'll order Stella Artois. All right. Okay. All right. John Granford. I'd love to. I like it. It's nice. Good morning, all. John Granford, Stacey Bailey. I got my metal mug. I cannot believe the metal mugs have already are already becoming limited. They sold really quickly. Look at everyone buying the mugs. We've got a ceramic mug here. We've got a metal mug here, a blue metal mug. Member on day one. People have been buying the mugs. It's been absolutely brilliant. I can't believe it. So it's already going limited. Fantastic. Really great. Thank you to all of you that jumped in and have bought the members only mug. Member on day one. I love it. Rallo1 got my mug ordered this morning. Loving it. Rallo1, yeah, it's gone limited on literally before we even bring the membership out. It's gone limited, so there's not, these aren't be available forever. Okay, I think there's 100. That's it. I think it's actually less than that. I think it's maybe 50. Anyway, whatever. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% certain. Back to here. So, will it be automatically adjusted on YouTube in 45 minutes? The membership sub? Yes. Yes, it will. The membership will go live in when the countdown reaches 0. Let me just refresh that. Bring the screen up to date. Yes, when that clock reaches 0, that is when the membership will go live. All right, I'll announce it. All right, we'll all do it together. You want to be with me when I announce it, okay? Right, 3641. Okay, what else have we got here? Will it be? Yes, it will. NH, it will be automatic. ASTI potential dilution not confirmed. Links for YouTube. 50% down pre-market. Anybody borrowing money today is going to crash like crazy. That's no surprise. No surprise at all. And I will cover that in a moment then. Right. Hi, Martin. Hope my tax return hit Robinhood soon. Got my mug ordered, Rallo1. Hi, Martin. Robbie Cooper. How are you? Robbie, I'm very well. Lovely to have you here. Martin, YouTube link, Mr. Mankey. Okay, I'll have a look in a second. Money today will move from US stocks to Chinese stocks. I think China is CPI data after hours too. Thank you very much indeed. We've now got Virgin Galactic at 116. The market is starting to pick up again. There'll be another reaction surely on the bell. So there you go. Gold, the S&P, Amazon, Apple, Tilray Energy, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue, Chevron, Tesla, Rivian, all going down. Let me see what NVIDIA has done today, which leads the market. NVDA. Yeah, down 1.49. Destiny, down 21%. You've got to get it in context, though. You're still up 500%. You were 1,000, you've halved. That's why I said 1,000% psychologically, take your profit. I hope you all did it. I hope you all took your profit at 1,000%. I mean, you're never going to get that again. I'm going to buy a mug later on when I get home, Robbie Cooper. Excellent, mate. The mug will be worth a lot of money in 10 years when you get to hundreds of thousands of views. Well, we've got 2.2 million views now, Robbie. 2.2 million views we've hit now. 2.2 million views. And you can see how many views we've got. If you go to the channel, if you ever want to check how many views we've got, I think it says here somewhere. Where does it say it? There you go. So this is how you do it. If you ever want to check how many views the channel has got, you can do it like this. Okay, here is the main channel. You click here at the top. Look, see the little arrow? Right there. And you can see there, look, 21,600 subscribers. So it's 21,600 something. So it could be about to become 21.7. But that's the subscribers. 4,751 videos. Right, yeah. 2,233,468. All right, and we started June 27th, 21. So we're coming up to our third anniversary. So in 3 years, 2,233,000. You can check that yourself. Everything is verifiable. What we do here, so you can see for yourself. Very exciting, right? Okay. Tilray is, oh, hang on, let me the mug will be worth a lot of money in 10 years. I think it will be. I think it will be. The day one mug, there won't be any available. They'll be limited, and that'll be it. Yeah, I think you're right. Just got my mug before it sold out. Yeah, there's not that many. I think there's 50. I think we've nearly sold all. I don't know. I haven't had a chance to look. Do you think the market cap of 800 million or more is justified with the current 53 million investment portfolio? Do you think the market cap of 800 million or more is justified when the current 53 million investment portfolio? Of course, it's about buying into what it's like Tesla. Think of it as Tesla when it first came out. You're talking about SpaceX. Everybody's buying it for SpaceX. They're expecting the price of SpaceX to go up. I do see this as an opportunity to buy this dip. I do, because you're buying SpaceX primarily, 33%. Now, it will come down because others are going to be added, but I would imagine SpaceX will always be the majority. Other things like Discord, not so, I don't know. So I'm not so excited about. I mean, it's okay, but I wouldn't be that excited financially. But anyway, so yes, of course it's overbought. Of course it is. It went up 1,000%. But now's an opportunity to take your profits, right? Anyway, well, it was at 1,000%. Maybe still now. I don't know. I meant hundreds of thousands of views per video. Oh, I see. Yes. Ordered my camping bung as well. Mike's got his camping mug. It's a metal mug. Loving today. Put money off to side just in case the market dipped, even though Bloomberg called for a rise this morning. Okay. This is no surprise to me at all. I mean, look, you can always check what I say. Look, I told you 5 days ago. 5 days ago, I put out the 10% crash warning. What did I do? I started to buy the dip. I bought 4. I've got $100,000 on standby in my margin, ready to buy a 10% dip. Rates will come down. Interest rates will come down. Inflation will come down. What we've got though is it's just staying up for longer. But the pain is being felt. The Fed will win the battle. There's no doubt about it. They will win the battle. Rates will come down. The markets will improve. This is an opportunity, but got to be sensible how much you do buy. Soundhound is down 12%. Anything borrowing money now is going to be down. Right, it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Now then, we've got just 29 minutes to go before the membership. So let me tell you, first of all, in 15 minutes time, 14 minutes, there's a special pre-announcement before the bell goes, so you're not having to do all this on the bell. All right, so in 14 minutes time, here is a 2-minute member video. I want everyone to go and watch it. It'll come out on the extra channel. Here it is. All right, it'll come out in a minute. When we get within 2 minutes of it, I will give you the link again. I want everyone to go and watch it. We don't want to be doing this on the bell. On the bell, we want to be trading and buying the stocks, not worrying about this. But on 13 minutes from now, that video will explain the memberships. Now, I want to add a little bit to this, what's about to happen. Okay, what's about to happen when this clock reaches 0. Okay, If you've watched the members video, the introduction video, you've got a good idea. But basically, in 28 minutes and 16 seconds, a one-time thing will never, ever, ever happen again. It can't ever happen again. We get memberships on day one on the extra channel. Now, the membership money I earn from the extra channel will go into paying for services to provide better and better services for the members. This service runs and operates 12 hours a day. It costs a lot of money to run all these cameras and this lighting and all this equipment 12 hours a day. But I've made it just 99 cents if you want to be a special guest. If you want to be on the inside and get extra perks at the Lucasade family, it's $1.99, or you can be a gold member, which is $26 cheaper than the gold membership on the main channel. Now, don't confuse them. They are not the same perks, not the same channel, completely separate, completely different. If you want the reviews, if you want the special, if you want me to do earnings and stuff like that, that happens on the main channel, unless we have a double show, like double earnings, double events at the same time, then of course Sensei can go live on the extra channel. So in that case, you can super chat for that. Okay, you can super chat for that, but right now the unless there's a double show, and that's not very often, then if you want to order reviews, earnings and stuff like that, that's the main channel. It's a completely separate channel. Don't confuse the two, they're separate. But you can only become a founder member on day one, minute one, once, because it knows your membership the moment you signed up for it. So 1 month exactly from 8:30 Monday today, you will have your 1 month badge, and you'll see all the founder members because they will all have 1 month badges. Everybody else will be new. There'll be new members coming in all the time for years and years in the future. So the founder members will always be recognized. And also, of course, when we bring out my crypto coin, I want to honor the founder members, right? So you're going to get the best deals and all the rest of it. So it's a one-time opportunity to be there on day one. Still great to become a member a year from now, of course. We'll still have all the perks and benefits, but there's going to be extra things for the founder members to honor and thank you for your support over the 3 years which took to build this network of channels. So that's what it's all about. All right, so in 10 minutes' time, we are going to leave this channel just for 2 minutes and give you the official introduction video that has not been seen yet. This video will go live on the extra channel in just 10 minutes from now. There it is, 10 minutes from now. And it will tell you what the membership perks are. There will be more added. This is just the basic level at the moment. All right, so there you go. And then it will go live on the bell, and then you can decide which membership you want. You can always upgrade, of course, but you can decide what you want to do. Right. And of course, as it goes live, I'll be able to give you the membership link. The membership link will be on the homepage of the channel where you normally find it on the extra channel. Does that make sense? So where it will be, let me show you, on the extra channel, if you click here, at the moment, look, there's no membership. There's no membership, right? The moment I turn it on at 8:30, the membership button will be here and you'll be able to click on it. And of course, then I'll be able to give it to you. All right. And we'll see who's going to be the first member. And also then we'll see who is the first. I'm not going to tell you what it is until it comes up. I don't want anyone to cheat. But I'll tell you about that in a minute. There's a few surprises lined up. Anyway, what's going on with SMX information? Because I was really bullish after the Pepsi news and Wall Street price target, and you called it rubbish. So I'm curious if it was fake article, but I've been waiting. I understand you've been waiting, Kevin B, but I'm doing the best I can. I will do it for you this morning. Once we've done the founder member deal, once we've then traded for the first half an hour, I will do it. Okay, I will do it for you. But just bear with me. What we've got this morning is a market crash. No surprise, really. You can see SMX is coming back down again. It's up on the week, but it is all trending back down again. But I will give you that news as soon as we can get into the show. Okay, it's a big morning. We've got a upwardly pressured print this morning on the Fed. We've got a potential 10% crash. I have to focus on that as opposed to this stock here. It's a much bigger thing, but I will cover it for you. I've just, we've got a 10% crash here, which is exactly what I predicted. I told everybody 5 days ago it was going to happen. There it is. There's the video 5 days ago. Look, there it is. I mean, it's there. You were warned. I hope you prepared for it, and I did. We all did together. Hopefully, we did together, and you are ready to take advantage of it. All right, but there it was. I have to focus on that right now. I'm sure you understand that. Okay, we're still going down. Good afternoon, everyone. Extra opportunity. Copy. Thank you. Thank you. Just wanted to know the facts, and I know you give them. Yes, I will. I will do the very best I can for you. Okay. Virgin Galactic could go under $1 today. I expect it to go under $1. I expect any company today that's borrowing money to collapse today. And then there'll be a bounce back. The S&P, just hold for it now. This is under my last buy-in, so I'm happy to buy more, but we're down now nearly 1.5. I want to get near the 5% before I buy another 4. And then start to build up. As we get to 10%, I'll buy 10, and so on and so forth. But if I buy more than 2, another 2, it's going to be another month before I can pay off the margin. So I have to remember that. And it's 40 cents a day. And of course, if I double that, it'd be 80 cents a day. So I could end up paying about, I'm trying to think, if I bought another 8 or so, I pay about $30 a month. I'd earn that in dividends. So, I'm prepared to buy more on the drop, definitely. But anyway, we'll see. Hello, everyone. Good morning, Mark. Okay, now then, are we coming up to the premiere? Yes, we are. We're coming up to the premiere on the extra channel. We've got 5 minutes to go. I'll give everyone the link in 5 minutes. And don't worry. We know today's focus is the bell, trading, and so on and so forth. That's why this video is coming out before the bell. It's only 2 minutes. It will give you all the information that you need when the bell rings. And it's like you can click that button in 1 second. And so on and so forth. If you want to be the founder member and and always be recognized at 8:30 in the morning, on the month, on the week, on the month, on the year, and so on and so forth. Okay. Any original before memberships, honorary membership. If I'm no, any original before memberships, honorary memberships. If no funding available. I don't understand it, Bill. It's 99 cents. It's 99 cents. If you are living in a house with electricity, if you've made a cup of tea today, if you've turned the lights on, you can afford 99 cents. I cannot make it cheaper than 99 cents. It's 99 cents. I don't know what you can buy in the world for 99 cents, but it's 99 cents. That's about 60 pence. I mean, I am confident that everyone can afford 99 cents. And if you can't, how are you even watching this channel? How are you paying the electric bill? How have you even got an iPhone in your hand? I mean, how are you paying for the water that comes out the tap? I can't make, no one's got a membership. 99 cents is the cheapest you can get. Remember, out of 99 cents, I pay a commission to YouTube and I pay tax. So I'm probably going to earn about 60 cents to run the channel 12 hours a day. That's it. per person. I mean, per month. That's it. So I can't make it cheaper, Bill. And once the moment is gone, the moment is gone. Because it'll recognize the founder members. And when we bring out the crypto coin, which I'm going to do, the members are going to love that. I spoke yesterday to Seeking Alpha. We're going to get the best deal that anyone's got for Seeking Alpha. I've got other partners who are now talking to me about deals. My founder members are going to get all of those things. You know me. You know that this is done not for my benefit and done for yours. If you don't recognize that, that's fine. That's up to you. I understand that. But I think it's a very, very, I know it's a very good deal. All right. Anyway, good morning, Lisa. Momo the Great, good morning. Hey, Mark, good morning. Hi, everyone. Kaiser Chow, good morning. What is he saying? I think it's where people, were in thus from the start of the channel. What he is saying, I think, is where people were in thus from the start of the other channel. Mark Korn, if you've watched the video, you'll know what I mean, what it's all about. But essentially, by becoming a member today on the channel, in 16 minutes, you'll be a founder member. Everybody can become a member on day one. So in 10 years, everybody will have a 10-year badge on day one. If you miss it and you become a member next month, next year, you'll never be a founder member. I've done this to honor the founder members. I've done it to give you better deals that I'm able to give you from my sponsors and people that want to affiliate with me. The idea is to bring a better service to you at the minimum price, which is 99 cents. You can be a Lucas Aid family member, which is $1.99 if you want, and then you get extra perks as well. There's going to be extra things there, but I can't make it better than that. I don't have it right now. Cards over limit, my home phone, my home food, etc. is paid for by my veterans pension. I'm sorry, Bill. There's nothing I can do. I can't make the membership less than 99 cents. It's not possible. There's nothing I wish I could. I wish I could give it to you, but I can't. I love the way you just disrespected Bill's disrespect. You are not a member of our channel and you do not know the love and friendship I have for Bill. So please, so please don't be disrespectful. Please don't be respectful. That's not the case. I have raised a lot of money for Bill. I've supported him. I gave him about $2,000 in cash. No, it wasn't. It was $1,500 in cash to help him buy an electric scooter to get around, a mobility scooter. So disrespect, that's very rude of you to say that. I sent Bill about $1,500 to buy himself and repair an electric mobility scooter. And I have been talking to Bill on the phone, answering his texts, answering his personal emails for 3 years. I am here for Bill. I'm always there for Bill. Please don't say that. That's very disrespectful. You're not one of my members. You don't know, And he's not a Vietnam War vet either. You got that completely wrong. He's a European United Nations veteran, and I've been here supporting him all the way. Right, okay, here it is. Here is the video. Everyone needs to watch this. It's only 2 minutes long. It's on the extra channel now. It'll tell you all about the memberships. Hang on a minute. Let me just click on it. You've only got a few seconds to go. There it is. Right, okay. Here it is. It tells you all about it. That way you don't have to rush when the bell goes this morning. There's the member video. Jump in there now. It'll tell you all about it. Leave a comment. I'll give it to my Rumble audience as well if you want to follow that. Okay, I'll give it to my X account as well. There you go. Right, back to there. All right, it's only 2 minutes long. It'll tell you all about the event that's going to happen in just 13 minutes from now. There you go. Right, so it's going to play now. Jump into the extra channel to see it. I see everybody there. Okay, let's have a quick listen in. All right, so you got to be quick. It's only 2 minutes. You're not going to worry about the bell, of course. We're going to cover the bell. This is the information that you need. It'll be available in a second. Links in the chat. Welcome. Would you like to be a member of our channel? Many perks and benefits to support the extra channel, which works 12 hours a day for its members. We have members only live streams, members only chat. We're here to help and support with exclusive perks, exclusive benefits. Here are some of the perks that you can get, just some of the perks that you can get, and there's more being added all the time. You can be a member of this channel for just 99 cents. It's the cheapest price on YouTube. You get a starter badge, a 1 month badge, a 2 month, 3 month badge, then 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and then you get your 4 year trophy. You've got emojis in there that only members can use, members only live chats, members only live streams, priority replies. I will reply to all of my members, so make sure that you check that out. Leave me a comment and I will reply to you. You can, that's a special guest level, special guest. Or you can be a Lucasade family member, and this is $1.99, which is pretty cheap, right? Cheaper than my bronze level on the main channel, but they are separate. These are not the same. They're completely separate memberships, separate channels, so treat them as such. Here with this level, Lucasade's family member, you'll get extra perks. There's early access to new videos, virtual video collaborations, photos and status updates, exclusive members only videos, and members only live streams. There is also a Lucasade's Gold member, which is $26 cheaper than the main channel. So that gives you some extra benefits as well. Discounted merchandise and exclusive gifts. As the memberships go up, you get all the previous membership levels with the extra ones added on top. So there you go. Become a member of the channel, support the channel. Everything that we earn from the memberships goes in to provide the 12-hour stream on the extra channel. This is it. Hopefully you'll join me and be a part of our membership scheme, membership, that'll do, and be part of the Lucasades. Anyway, fantastic. Welcome to the family. When you have done that, go and message me and I will help you and support you in any way I can and give you all the extra perks and benefits in a live stream. Join me. Click above my head, down below, over here. I'll post a few links. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and welcome to the family. There you go. There's the video. Brilliant. You'll see the link in a few minutes time. It's not there yet. It'll be there in a moment. So just bear with me for that. It goes live when the clock reaches 0, which is 9 minutes from now. Okay. All right. It will appear here. It will appear here on the homepage right here as a member. That's where it will appear. And if you miss it, you miss it. It will never be the founder first moment ever again. All right. Okay. The S&P. We're waiting to buy more. That was a great video. Thank you, Seth. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. Tilray, buying opportunity. Let's have a look. Yes. Tilray's will do all right. Oh, yes. There we go. Under $2 now. Yes. Definitely a buying opportunity today for Tilray. It's a bit warm in here today. I'm going to take my jacket off. I want to just try my very best if I can, just for a moment. I want to try my very best to help Bill. Bill, I can understand that you feel a bit down at the moment and life is difficult for you. That's what you're expressing in the chat. And, you know, we are here as your friends and family. You can watch for free. You don't have to be a member. You don't have to have any money to watch. You don't have to super chat. You don't have to do anything. Every day we are here listening, you know, but it's not going to help you. It really isn't going to help you feel better and, you know, get to a better place by you always saying negative things. I don't believe for a moment your wife is waiting for you to die. I think that's a horrible thing to say. I don't think you should think like that. I'm sure it's not the case. You know, we are your friends. We're here to support you, but it doesn't help you. It doesn't help you, and it doesn't help people feel love towards you by you constantly saying the worst things like that. It doesn't help. You've got to stay positive in life. You cannot keep saying, you know, I mean, you've said all sorts about taking your life and I wish I was dead and all that. That's not going to help you. That's not going to help you. And, you know, you've got to be positive, and positive energy will draw positive energy to you. If you constantly beat yourself up and believe the worst in yourself and believe your life is rubbish, it'll just be rubbish. As if you constantly believe in the best and the opportunities, people will be drawn to you. People will support you. People will offer love to you. You've got to fight on, Bill. I'm sure your wife doesn't wish for those things, and I think she would be appalled if she heard you saying this on the channel. Thank you, Jens.
Jens K has become a member.
We are all here and support you, but you can't, you know, I think tough love is needed here to tell you, Bill, you know, you can't say these things. You've got to look at life in a more positive manner. We've all had bad stuff. Everyone has had bad stuff. In my life, I've lost my mum. My mum died when I was young. My dad died when I was young. I went bankrupt once, lost my business. I lost my children. I've had stuff. I've got 6 bulging discs. I'm not in the best health when it comes to my back. I have had bad stuff happen, but I refuse to be negative. And my life is no better or worse than yours. We are all the same. We are all in the same situation. Everybody has ups. Everybody has downs. But I can guarantee one thing. If you constantly beat yourself up and tell everybody it's doom and gloom and your wife wishes you were dead and you wish you were dead, that will not help you. That won't make you feel better. That won't draw positive energy towards you from the members and the viewers and the family. It will just bring more negativity towards you. You've got to get out of that habit. It's not good. And, you know, you've got to be more positive, Bill. There's no alternative. And everybody here has had bad days and good days. All right. And we're here for you. But you cannot keep coming in every day saying these things. And it's not right, I don't think, that you say your wife wishes you were dead. I don't think that's true at all. And I think you'd be appalled. Only a few months ago, you were celebrating your wife's birthday. You know, I don't believe, and this person earlier who was quite rude to me, saying I was disrespecting you, was ridiculous. I'm not disrespected you. I've given you more time than anyone here. Not only do I talk to you in every show, every single day I talk to you, and you've told me I talk to you more than anyone in your life. I've taken your personal phone calls, your personal emails, your personal texts. I've raised money for you, but now it's over to you, Bill, to do something. You can't come on here and say, I wish I was dead and all this, and I can't afford 99 cents. Anybody today watching this channel with the TV turned on can afford 99 cents. I don't care. I don't care if that sounds harsh. It's not. It's the truth, and you know it, and we all know it. So come on, get with it. You don't have to be a member. I don't need your 99 cents. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I want you to live a happy, healthy life, and I'm here for you whether you're a member or not. But come on, be a bit more optimistic about life. It's not going to help you going on like that, and it's not very nice talking about your wife like that, because I'm sure it's not true. Anyway, right, we got 3 minutes before the bell goes. Okay? Now, As we hit 0, I will turn on the membership. And I will give you the link and you'll be able to do it. Okay? Also, the bell will go and we'll cover the bell as well. Lisa, the membership will go. I will give you the link when it hits 0. Sundays are better. Membership on Discord and membership on YouTube. Sundays are better. I will come back to you. Once we got through the bell, it's a big dramatic day today. I will come back to you on all these things. Good luck, everyone. Ed Nevius. Had to leave a bit. Did I miss the membership sign up? No, it goes live when that clock reaches 0. It's true. No, it's not, Bill. There's no way. There's no way that's true. Your wife does not want you dead. This opportunity is going fast. I like it. Love you, Bill. Opposites do not attract like it's a fact. Love you, Bill. Stay strong, brother. Look, you can't. People are giving you support, Bill. You will burn the support if you keep being negative. People will not keep supporting you if you don't support yourself. People will not help you if you don't help yourself. Right? People will support you here, but you have to help yourself, right? You have to help yourself. If you don't, people won't support that. All right, here we go. The bell is about to go. The membership is about to go live. The stock race is all happening at the same time. By now, you know what you want to do. I'm going to take the countdown off the screen now because we're about to count down for the okay, the countdown is going off the screen. It's now 1 minute to go. It's going to go quiet. There it is. The countdown's gone. The moment the bell goes, I will ring the bell. The stock race will start. The opportunities to buy the dip will start, and you can become a member. And if you don't do it straight on the bell, you'll always be behind. You won't be a founder member. There's no way you can. All right, are you ready? Who will be the first person to super chat with a comment? Who is going to be the very first person to super chat? Are you ready? Okay. The bell has gone. Memberships are live. We are off. That's it. The bell is now gone. We have memberships on the channel. This is it. Memberships are live. If you refresh the screen, who's going to be the first? There is the membership button. There it is. Who's going to be the first person? There you go. I'm going to become a member. I'm going to join. There you go. Click the button there. Look, join. I'm going to become a member myself. Welcome. Would you like to be a member of our channel? Many, many perks and benefits to support the extra channel, which works 12 hours a day. There you go. You can choose which level you want. Members-only live streams, members-only chat. We're here to help and support. Right, there is your membership perks. It's gone live. Let's go. Let's see what's happening. Let me give everyone the link. Here's the membership link. There it is in the chat. There you go. Pinned to the top. Super chat. Good morning. There you go. There are our first super chats on the extra channel. There they are. There they are. There are our first super chats on the channel. There you go. Look at this. Who was the very first person to super chat? Welcome special guest. We got Mike as a special guest. We've got Fight Channel as a special guest. But we got Jason Fallon. Jason Fallon is a Lucozade Gold member. I knew he would do it. That's incredible. I love it. Lucozade Gold, Jose Quintana. Lucozade Gold, Bell B. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, Rallo 1. Special guest, John Granfor. Welcome, special guest. Wow. Everybody. Whoa. Everyone's becoming a member. Look at that. Martin Young, Nick Atray, James 007. JJ, John Granfort, Rallo 1, Bell. Wow, it's going and going and going. Look at that. Jane, I'm a member. James Douglas, where is it? Where is the link? Where is the link? It's on the member channel. Here's the link. Here it is, Stacey. Special guest. Look at the people. Look at it going now. Look. Boom. It's incredible. It's gone nuts. There is the link, Stacey Bailey. You need it in the first few minutes. Jose Quintana. There's a super chat. There's a super chat. Chris Hoyle has gone. Welcome the special guest. Special guest, Stacey Bailey. Oh, there, David Warnes. He's a Lucozade family, a member of the Lucozade family. Sebastian has done a super chat. Boom, let me like that. Wow, look at that. Can you believe it? Look, everybody, look at that. Look, the very first super chat. The very first super chat was Nick Atrade. He was our very first super chatter. He came in there. He was the first one. Then we had Fight Channel. I think Fight Channel was the first person to become a member. I'm loving it. Look at that. Look at that. And then we had Stacey Bailey has become a special guest. Stacey Bailey is in. How do I do it? There's the link. There's the link. Founder members. There's the link. You can become a special guest. You can be a Lucozade family or a gold member. Look at that. The clock is now 0. Let me refresh the screen. There you go. We've got another one. Mindfully. Welcome the special guest. Crag, special guest. Upgraded membership to Lucozade family member. Stacey Bailey has upgraded. She's already upgraded. Absolutely. She's our first. Stacey Bailey is our first upgraded member. Welcome to special guest. Welcome to Lucozade Gold. Steve Wally is a Lucozade Gold member. Welcome to special guest. Seth Houston, special guest. It's incredible. It's way beyond what I thought. Way beyond. This is absolutely incredible. I can't believe it. Lisa Wang has become a special guest. This is absolutely fantastic. I cannot believe it. I think everybody must be. Oh, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Shannon Miller has just become a special guest as well. Can you become a member on the iPhone? I'm trying to figure it out. Yes, you can. There's the link. You need that link if you're on an iPhone. Shia Majors, welcome to the Lucozade family. Welcome special guest. Can you believe it's this many? Can you? It's everybody, right? It's like I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely speechless. I actually thought it'd be about 20. If you're on an iPhone, all you've got to do is you've got to use a browser. Select a browser. Okay, which can be your Safari, which can be your Google, your Mozilla, Chrome, whatever. Select a browser with this link and then go to the bottom and select desktop version. You have to select desktop version if you're on an iPhone. All right, you have to select. You have to select. You have to select a desktop version. Flippin' X Stacey Bailey is my first multi-upgrader. She has upgraded. She's upgraded from. Oh man, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Stacey Bailey has upgraded from guest to Lucozade member to gold member. Time for a cup of tea. Time for a cup of tea, James. Time for a cup of tea. Oh, I can't believe it. If we're going to be family members, I have to tell you my name is Shay. Shay. All right, Shay, I apologize. We are. Shay, how you doing, mate? Lovely to have you here. So, wow. Let's just see. I mean, how many? I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen anything like it. Let's see what we've got. Let's see who was the first. So we have... you'll be glad to know the S&P is recovering, by the way. So it was absolutely fine. It's recovering. It didn't go down further. Overreaction. There was an opportunity to buy more. I didn't take it. It wasn't cheap enough. So who was our very first super chat? Our very first super chat on day one was Nick a Trade. Nick a Trade was our very first super chat today. You were the first one. Fantastic. Thank you very, very much indeed. Look at that. Fight Channel was the very first guest. He was the very first member. Then Mike, then Jason. Jason was our very first gold member. Jose Quintana then became a gold member on day one. And look at that. And then Bell became a gold member. So scroll down. Then we had Rallo1 became a gold member. Let me just zoom in here so you can see this. Rallo1 became a gold member. John Granfor became a special guest. JJ became a special guest. James 007 special guest. Nick a Trade became a special guest after doing a super chat. Welcome to special guest Martin Young. Cool. Let me. This is amazing. Who'd have thought it'd been this good? Right. Then we have Zach Zate. Zach Zate is a special guest. Chris Coyle is a special guest. Jose Quintana did a super chat. There's my second super chat. Thank you very much indeed. David Warnes became a Lucasade family member. That was the very first one to become a Lucasade family member. There is my third super chat. Let me just zoom in there. That was Sebastian, who gave me a €5 tip. Thank you so much indeed. Wow, Fight Channel. You're the first one, Fight Channel. You're the first member. Welcome, special guest, Daily Bailey. As we now know, that was the beginning of it, right? What else have we got? How do you do it? I gave you the link. Hopefully now, Mr. B, you've done it. Mr. Hudson, special guest. Fantastic. Let me scroll down here. Let's move on up. Move on up. Then Crag became a special guest. Mindfully became a special guest. Stacey Bailey then upgraded for the first time to a Lucasade family member. Welcome, special guest David Hensley. Steve Wally came a gold member. Welcome, special guest Mark Korn. Welcome, special guest Seth Houston. Lisa Wang. Let me just zoom down. Can you believe it? I never thought it'd be like this. Lisa Wang, special guest. Shannon Miller, special guest. Shay, I've now got his name right. Shay Majors became a member. Momo the Great became a Lucasade member, a family member. Momo the Great. Look at that. So now we've got welcome special guest, Mr. B. He's done it. Welcome to special guest Jens K. Eric B. We will rock you. I cannot believe it. A super chat there from Eric B. Stacey Bailey has gifted a membership. Bill can have a free membership if he was in the channel. Bill, if you were in the channel now, there's a free membership. Bill, are you watching the channel right now? If you jump in, if you're watching it and being part of it, Bill, you are here. Bill, people are giving away free memberships. Are you here? Let's have a look. Are you here? Bill, there are free memberships. Stacey Bailey has just gifted one. Matthew Kelly won one because he was there. So anybody who goes in now is going to win free memberships. Remember, it's limited and you don't get everything on day one, but just bear that in mind. Finally got it. Momo the Great, hello. I donated a membership for Bill, I think. No, it was won by Matthew Kelly. It was won by Matthew Kelly because Bill's not in here. If Bill was in here, he probably would have won it, but he's not in. Momo the Great, hello. Stacey Bailey, welcome to the Lucasade family. Michael, how did it go to Matthew Kelly? Because he was in. Whoever's in who hasn't bought a membership, it goes to them. Bill wasn't in. Bill's not. See, look, like I said earlier, Bill, you have to help yourself. People are trying to help you out. I thought I could pick who it went to. No, you can't pick. It's whoever is engaging in the channel. And to be honest with you, anybody who's in there now will win a free membership because everyone's a member. So if you're not a member, the channel doesn't hate Bill, disrespect. No, the channel does not hate Bill at all. Bill is not even in the channel. If he was in the channel, he would have won one. Sorry, SOB, can I pick who it goes to? No, you can't. You can't pick who it goes to. Look, I'm searching Bill. I've just typed his name. He's not in the channel. You can only win if you're in. He's not in, so he can't win it. That's just the way it is. So the channel does not hate. Disrespect. I don't like all your negativity and your rudeness. Anyway, GoDB. No, can't pick who wins membership. Right. So here it is. Now we have got members in our channel. We are about to upgrade the channel. Are you ready? Here's my first upgrade. My first upgrade is now. We want the channel to be members only. Even though I get less money, make less money, get less views, I don't care. It's about providing the best of service. So here we go. I'm now going to go over to another new member. Right, let me do it now. Here we go. So in the extra channel, content, live, we're making the channel now members only. The whole channel is members only from now on. Members only. The whole channel will always be members only. Here it is. Are you ready? For the very first time, and it will never be turned off. It's why I want the channel to be really great for our members. Customization and subscribers, any duration, who can participate. I need to refresh the screen. I think it doesn't show membership yet. Let's have a look. Edit. Customization. Members. Who can participate? Members only. There you go. Save. There you go. Now, if we come back to the event, there you go. It's members only. Members only from now on. It will always be a member. All right. Welcome, special guests. Sundays are better. Sundays are better is like a member of everything. All right. Including Discord. You have about 60 people in the extra channel. I cannot believe it. Yeah. Let me refresh the screen. What does it say? Yeah, we are members only now. And will always be members only. 12 hours a day. All the best perks will come to the founder members. Those that became members on the first day, you'll all get the best perks, all the best benefits. Oh, you bought the blue mug, did you? Did you buy the blue mug? Right. Yes, this is the mug that came out today. It's already gone limited. There is the mug. You can have a ceramic mug or a metal mug, which is bigger. The normal mug is 11 ounces. The Bill asked for a bigger mug. It's now a bigger mug, 12 ounces. It's in metal, so it's really solid. It will last forever. And yes, Zach got a blue one. He got one like that. That's what he got. And they've already gone limited. Let me share with you. We've just sold some more mugs. Oh my gosh, it's now completely limited. Look, we've just sold another. Look at all these mugs. This is all the mugs that have been sold in the Discord. Another one. Somebody bought a blue one. Let me do that one there. Someone just bought a metal mug on day one. Somebody bought a ceramic mug. Someone bought another metal mug. Someone bought. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Everybody has got a mug. Wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 mugs in the first hour. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't flipping believe it. Right, okay. Wow, there you go. What a day that was. What a day that was. Look at that. with the new mug. Yay, I can't believe it. I don't even know how many members I've got yet. I'll tell you later on. It must be everybody. It must be everybody. Oh, man. Anyway, let's get back to the stocks right now. That was a wonderful moment. Incredible. I think everyone's a member. Has everyone got a mug? I mean, probably. Right. Okay. Let's make some money. Let's make some more money. Hey, here we go. Come on, everybody. Now we've seen the drop. That's a lot of mug. I can't believe it. I know. I can't believe it. The extra channel now is fully members only, 12 hours a day. It's a club for the members. It's a place where it's just all members, founder members as well. Everybody in there is a founder member. And David Warren says, oh, I need to lie down after all that. It's been a bit crazy, isn't it? It's been a bit crazy. Yeah, I know. It's been a bit mental. Anyway, there we go. That's the extra channel. And there's more and more stuff about to come because the money I've made from the memberships today is all going in to building that channel out and making it better and better and better. All right. How can I become a member? Send me a link. I just bought a mug. You just bought a. How can I become a member? Well, here is the link. Here's the link. Here is the link for the extra channel. So this is extra. There's the extra channel. If you want to become a member of this channel, of course, this is where you get the reviews and all those things. A completely separate channel. If you want to become a member of this channel, there is the link for this channel. Okay, it's Founder Members Day. Everybody who gets a member today is going to get the best perks. When the crypto coin comes out for the show, people will get the pre-IPO deal. All of those things is what it's all about. Anyway. Jason Fallon, I bought a red mug. You bought a red mug. Jason Fallon, I wanna thank you because Jason is the winner of the best trophy, which has gone off now, I believe. Jason, let me know when it arrives. Your best trophy. You've got the best trophy. Mike won the first year. You've got the best trophy this year. I will soon as I will as soon as I can. Boss man, Chris Schultz. I was right on the Tilray buying opportunity. Right, let's have a look at it. Virgin Galactic. There you go. 110. It's happening. 110. I said it would go to 110. It's about to happen. Right, we need to catch up now then. Let me do it. First of all then. I've got videos catching up, comments. Let me read this. Brian Griffin, well done. Did I do it right? Sebastian, yes, you did. Thank you, Juan, for the super chat. Is it time to buy space? $1.10. That's where I said it. It's right there now. I love camping. To the metal mug is a must. No more videos. No more videos about Fisker. No more videos about Fisker. Why? I got a metal one, hot pink for the wife. Go DB's bought a pink one. How to become a member? Send me a link. I just bought the mug. I just gave you the link. Bought a red mug. Hi, Suresh. Mike. I will soon as I can. I was right on the Tilray buy opportunity. Jason Fallon, thank you so much for your support. Does anybody want to call in? The phone line's open. Is space now a good buy? It is a good buy if you want to look at the value. Okay, let's do all these videos now. I need to do this now. Okay, hang on. Okay. I got a red mug to match the leggings, the hoodie, and the t-shirt. Missing now is glasses, a hair scrunchie, and slides. I'll work on it. What about shoes? Do you want some shoes? Absolutely brilliant. There's some bed sheets, there's some towels, stickers, glasses. Brilliant. Stacey Bailey is going to soon start modelling the entire range of the Lucas A fashion accessories. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Oh, this is just too much. I can't cope with all of this. I really can't cope with it all. Right. I need to focus here a minute. I can't.
Juan Zavala has become a member.
Let me do that again. That was too quiet. I missed it. I've got to get now back to the stocks, okay? Recent events. I just missed that one. You've just become a member of this channel. Well, oh, silver member. You can go on the homepage of the channel if you're a YouTuber. All you got to do is request it.
Juan Zavala has become a member.
Right. Okay. Can't believe it. So anyway, if you want to be a founder member on the extra channel, here it is. Here is the extra channel. Now, as you've just become a member, you've got to go and watch this video. This tells you all about the whys, the hows, and the wherefores. You have to watch it all the way through. It tells you how to get Discord, how to request a review, and all of those amazing things. So make sure that you do take advantage of that, all right? Martyn Lucas Investor car wrap. Really? Really? You want my face on a car wrap? You want the logo. It's the logo that everyone likes, isn't it? Movix Labs, nice spike, Martin. PAC, low volume, good buy attribute, there or no. Chris Schultz, PACB. I'd need to review it, Chris Schultz. You'd have to book a review for me to I can't say if it's a good buy just because it's down today. High tops. Stacey, nice. Eric B's going, flipping X. Send in pictures, Stacey Bailey, with all of it. We want to see all the pictures. Nick a trade, the disrespect guy needs to be reported. Well, the thing is, he can't be on the channel now anyway because it's members only. That's the point. It's members only for quality of service. So it's always going to be that way. Anyway, let me make these videos. Okay, let's start off with the S&P 500. Here we go. The time. I'm a little bit overwhelmed today. I'm like overwhelmed. To be honest, I'm at the edge of tears, and you know I get emotional. I'm at the edge of emotional tears, and I know I should be making videos right now, but I'm a bit overwhelmed. I didn't expect everyone to become a member. Everyone to buy a mug. I mean, I didn't expect that. It's a bit crazy. I can't believe it. Leah, are you there? Just come to the curtain so I can tell you something. You won't believe this.
I mean, since you offered, I want high tops.
Babe, you won't
like
believe
Chuck
it. I'm really
Taylor's.
quite...
Can we look at size and dial?
Overwhelmed. Everyone is a member. Probably 10 are gold members. Everyone has bought a mug. I can't believe it. Can you believe it? Like everyone. There's about 10 gold members. And like everyone's bought a mug. That's amazing, isn't it? I can't say anything. And everyone, they're super chatting like crazy. It's like, YouTube's probably going, bloody hell, this channel's doing rather well. Anyway, just told Leah all about it. Come say hi, Leah. Leah won't come on the camera. She doesn't like being on the camera. Maybe one day. Super chat. I mean, since you offered, I want a high tops like Chuck Taylor's. Can we look at DX? Yes, of course we can. You're just buttering me up now, so I'll show you DMX. Oh, sorry, XYZ. Yes. Let's have a look here. Destiny. I'm taking my tie off. This is too much. I can't cope with this. There you go. I never take my tie off. But I'm overwhelmed by it all, and I'm taking my tie off. Take it or leave it. I'm taking my tie off. There you go. I've taken my tie off. Take it or leave it. All right? Done. Destiny, yes. So it's overreacted today, of course, because, in fact, let me go through each one and make each one a video. Understandable. Take 5. Drink some tea and smile. Yeah. It's ridiculous. I don't know how we built this, really, quite honestly. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. It's pretty mental, isn't it? Let me try and make some videos. What's the time? What is the, hang on. Does it tell me how many members I got? No, it won't tell me yet. I'll see all the members. Flipping heck. One of 35 members. 35. Yeah, it's 35. Look, here's the list. Look, there's the list. There's the list. All right. Look, there's the list. 35. 35. You're a great man, Martyn. You deserve it, Martyn. I don't. Really? Do I? I mean, this is the best job in the world, really. Congratulations, Martyn. I was right on both. They're going up. Chris Schultz. Time for a cuppa. Looks like I'll be a member soon too. Make sure that you do it on day one if you want to be a founder member. Otherwise, you'll always be behind everybody else. Tilray explodes. No, it didn't. Come on. It didn't explode. It's 5%. It's gained 4%. It's right. I need to make these videos to explain what's going on. So I've got to focus, even if it's difficult. I've got to focus. So let me focus right now, and do what you're here for. You're not here to hear me get emotional and start crying. That's not what you're here for. Okay, 126. Uh, 126. Right, okay. We're going to start off with S&P. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Quite emotional this morning. Just been blown away by everybody becoming a member on my extra channel. But I'm going to focus. This morning, we've seen the inflation rates, the CPI rates, core price, month on month, year on month, spook the market a bit. Didn't spook me. I predicted it. You can go and look below the description of this video and above my head. You will see that I predicted a 10% crash, a 10% a correction. Stand by that, and I still believe that that's going to happen. This morning, what we had was a drop on the S&P. It's overreaction. Let me explain. The reason it's an overreaction is what it means is rates aren't going to go up. They're just going to potentially stay up for longer. Still think we might get a rate cut. People are going, no, that's it. We're not going to get a rate cut. But I still think we just might because the market does need it. And even if it was cut by 0.25%, it would still be at near or historic highs, still continue doing the damage. This morning, the market reacted and went down, but it overreacted. Can it go down lower? Yes, it can go down 10%, which is why I'm waiting to buy. I didn't buy the dip this morning. Didn't make any sense for me. I will buy it if it goes considerably lower, but not yet. But what this has done, it's dropped all the stocks, and they are bouncing back, and I'm going to cover those on other videos. The stocks that are highly speculative. Now, just put this in context. What the market was expecting today was to see CPI come down by 0.1. And on many of the metrics, it ended up staying the same. It didn't go up, it just stayed the same. However, year on year, it did go up slightly. And that's what spooked the market. Everything dropped. But the speculative stocks, things like Virgin Galactic, Tilray Brands, things that are pre-revenue, if you like, that have debt and all the rest of it, they went down dramatically, and they have now started to pop back up. Anyway, I'm going to cover that on the other videos. I'm going to do a series of videos now with my reaction to the individual stocks, and they've got their own story. Click above my head, down below in the description, you'll find about the prediction I made 5 days ago, alerting you to this. I was prepared, were you? And thank you for becoming a member on Founder Members Day. You've got until tonight to be the member on day one. It's going to be very, very special. Founder members are going to get great deals going forward, and we're going to celebrate, of course, on Friday night in the music channel. Above my head for all the links over here, and over here. Don't miss it. Everyone became a member. Everyone bought a mug. I'm not joking. Go and check it out. It's nuts. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, S&P. Now we want to do Virgin Galactic, SPCE. Hang on. SPCE. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. There it is. Exactly as predicted, and the time I predicted, and I'm going to prove to you this was the price and the time I predicted it, $1.10. The reason is because the markets have overreacted today because inflation is proving to be a bit more sticky. And if you don't believe that I predicted a 10% crash, here is the video just 5 days ago. There it is. 5 days ago, I said this was going to happen, and it is happening. And $1.10, I've reported that on my Virgin Galactic videos. You've all seen that as well, because if you're a Virgin Galactic investor, you watched it. But there it is. Now we've got $1.10. And we've got it on the day that the markets are overreacting. They are overreacting. However, as I've just reported on my other video, if you want the full video about the CPI, click above my head down below in the description. I'm doing a range of crash videos today, so you know what's going on. We've got on two of the metrics, the data came out as expected, but it came out the same, but they were expecting it to dip. I didn't. But they were the market has priced in a dip. I didn't expect it. I'm expecting it to be the same. And I still believe we're going to get interest rates to be cut in June. They might not, but we're not going to get a rate hike as some people are calling for. We're not going to get a rate hike. I don't think there's any reason for that whatsoever. However, things like Virgin Galactic, of course, things that are speculative, that are borrowing money, rates are higher for longer. People a bit more fearful. Of course, this is going down under $1 now. So my next target for this is under $1. Then we get into the territory of delisting, and the whole thing enters a whole new era, and that gets a bit scary. Click above the links for all and below. This was a special members day today. Founder members, everyone became a member today, and I mean everyone, and bought a mug today on my extra channel. The extra channel is live 12 hours a day to support you. I was overwhelmed. I'm still quite emotional making these videos, if I'm quite honest. Anyway, over here and over here, it's done exactly as we expected. What are you doing now? Are you buying the dip? Be careful, because I think it's going to go under $1 now. This will last until about Friday, because of course sell-off Friday is coming up as well. What do you think? Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, now we've got Palantir, no. Gold, no. We've covered that. Amazon, no. Apple, Next Energy, no. Enphase, ENPH. What this means for them. Here we go. The Wolf of Dubai just does trading programs where he provides for like, what, $50 a month? Is it training programs that we provide for free with Ed Nevius? Just saying. Anyway, that's all these about. Anyway, Enphase Energy. I'm loving it. I'm I've got a thing you might like then. I'm loving it. We've got, where is it? Look, you might like this. In my shop, look, I'm loving it. I'm loving it like that. Right, look, you like this? I'm loving it. I've got the hand embroidered, not hand embroidered, machine embroidered, and the mugs. There it is. Loving it. Right, okay, let's have a quick look. Enphase, ENPH. It's important. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, one of my favorite stocks, Enphase Energy, down by 5.7, was down a lot more than that. It's rebounded because of CPI data today coming in hot. Not really, it surprised me, but it surprised the market for some reason. They were pricing and everything improving quicker and ahead of schedule. No, it's not going to improve quicker. The markets are always overreacting, buying too much, selling too much. They overreacted today and now it's coming up. Why has it gone down? Because if interest rates stay up higher, and they're not going to go up, I don't see any reason for a rate hike, but they're going to stay up for longer, it means more people are going to put off buying solar. That's why solar EVs don't like when rates stay up higher. But Enphase Energy has got a very good balance sheet. Other businesses will fail in this sector. Enphase Energy will capitalize on that. This is good for them. They have one of the widest margins on their gross profits than others. Others will go bankrupt now. This will put others out of business. This is good news for Enphase. The reaction was it sold off because people sold it because they know it's going down, obviously, and now people are buying it in quickly because they know that this business can take up the slack, because other businesses will fail that don't have the balance sheet that Enphase Energy does. So this company is going to do really well on this. It means we're going to have to wait a bit longer potentially for the real explosion, because Enphase is a 2 or 3x from this position. It is in time, it took a couple of years, but rates have to come down first. But between now and then, its competition will die and it'll clean up. So this is a good buying opportunity for Enphase right now, as long as you're prepared to wait. Click above my head for all the links. We've got lots of reviews today, lots of things coming out, a whole series of crash videos today, including, and more over here as well, including the extra channel, which has just gone members only, and everyone, and I mean everyone today, became a member and bought a mug. Literally, it was incredible. Go and check out the video later. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Enphase. Coca-Cola, not worried about that. J&J, not worried about that. Kenvue, no. Chevron, Tesla, yes. Tesla. I'm coming on to all your favorites. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla, space, worst investment ever. Go woke, go broke, seriously ready to dump the lot and have cash to buy into DWAC, rum, etc. Bill, you're saying I didn't. Bill, we were giving away free memberships today, but you never responded. If you'd have been in the extra channel, Bill, you would have won a membership. Stacey Bailey wanted you to win one. If you go into the extra channel and say hello, you never know, you might win one. Stacey Bailey was trying to give you a free membership. I told you, didn't I say to you, you have to be positive. You have to be positive. And if you'd have been positive today, you would have won a membership. Being negative, you got nothing. You see what I mean? It was right there. People were there to help, and you chose not to. See, you've got to be positive. And wouldn't it be great for you to win a membership, as you've given so many people in the past memberships? Just get yourself into the channel. Be part of it. Right, Tesla. TSLA. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Surprised? Not really. Tesla down today. Awful. Tesla can go down to $110. Seriously, it can. No one's getting a $25,000 car either. That was all a bit of a naughty white lie from Elon Musk. It's going to be the robo-taxis, and you're not going to get one of those either on the 8th of August. It's going to be owned in the fleet of Tesla. I don't think many people have worked that out yet, but they soon will. All the fanboys are getting really excited, going, this is great. Well, the reason why it's down today is not because of any of that. It's because of CPI data is coming hot. It's going to hold up rates for longer. We're not going to get a rate hike, but rates for longer means people can't afford to buy a car. Ultimately, long term, this is good for the economy if you are an investor. Good if you're an investor of Tesla, because you can get it cheaper, but you're about to get a bit of a nasty surprise. The $25,000 Model 2 is not coming to you. No, it's going to be used for the robo-taxi, and you're not getting that either. And all the Tesla fanboys who think they're going to earn $1 a mile, 100 grand a year when they buy a robo-taxi, you are all kidding yourself. Absolutely not. I've looked at the numbers, studied it. No chance in hell you're going to earn 100 grand. And let me tell you why. First of all, you won't be able to buy a robotaxi. They'll be owned by Tesla. The fleet will run, and that will happen for years before you're able to buy one and put it into the fleet. Number one. Number two, when you do get the chance to buy one and everybody else buys one, imagine you've now got 100 Teslas available in the area. Okay, we know how Uber works. Uber gets cheaper when more people are doing it. Suddenly, you've got 100 Teslas all in the area, and somebody orders a robo-taxi. What happens? The price goes down because everybody's got a robo-taxi available. Tesla fanboys only want to see what they want to see. Even Elon Musk. Thank you for becoming a silver member. You can be on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you are a YouTuber, and I'll get everyone to promote you, and I will get everyone to subscribe to your channel if you want that. Make sure that you let me know if you want that. Welcome. Make sure that you watch the video. I'll give you that in a moment. I'm just making a video for Tesla. So Tesla fanboys, and I'm going to say that I love Tesla, but your hero Elon Musk has even told you the stock is too expensive. But you don't listen to him. You only listen to him when it suits you. When he tells you not to buy the stock, you don't listen. He's a genius. Listen to him, all right? He's your hero. He's telling you. He's also telling you, if you read between the lines, you're not going to get a robo-taxi. You're not going to earn 100 grand a year. And when you do finally get a robo-taxi, everyone's going to turn it on, and the price that you thought you were going to get, which is a lot lower than what you think you're going to get, is going to go even lower again. Just bear that in mind. All of that will be reflected ultimately in the price when people realize they can't get a Model 2, they can't get a robo-taxi. Tesla is going to 110. Am I bearish? No, I love Tesla. But Elon Musk, even though I love him and he's my hero, he does like to bend the truth a little bit. Remember the Porsche on the trailer? Wasn't exactly what we thought. Wasn't a quarter of a mile, was it? Was it eighth of a mile? Remember? All of that, it was manipulated to make you think it was better than it was. Robotaxi is no different. It's not going to be the deal that you're hoping for. Click above my head, down below, more over here, more over here. It's a massive day today. I'm trying to cover all these reviews, and our extra channel has exploded. Everyone's a member on day one, and everyone's bought a mug. And I mean, everyone. I'm overwhelmed. I can't believe it. All right. Not subscribed to Extra. It's in members only mode anyway. That's right, Bill. Bill, you're starting to be like negative on purpose now. You've got to stop this. Bill, you can go into the Extra channel without being a member. You just can't comment without being a member. So if you go in here, but quite honestly, your negativity is probably going to turn some people off. I'm not being funny, but it probably will. You be optimistic and people help you. You keep saying negative things, and I don't think people are going to want to help you. There is the extra channel. If you go in, you can be in there, and if somebody wants to donate a membership to you, they can. But you're choosing not to. Now you're deleting X, so now you've just deleted. In fact, you know what, Bill? I'm not helping you by constantly, supporting this negativity. I have just given you VIP access for free to the members only VIP founders member in X. You've just said to me you've deleted X, right? That is private meetups I'm going to do with you. You've just deleted it and it's free. I've given it to you for free. So do you know what, Bill? I'm going to say this now publicly, right? I'm done with the negativity. I am done with your negativity. You need me to tell you to sort it out because I refuse to be surrounded by negative people. In the past, I have had friends and I've dated people that were negative and I've binned them off because you only are successful if you surround yourself with successful people. If you surround yourself with negativity, you become negative and you fail. I refuse to do it. I refuse it to be on my channel and I refuse it to be around my members. If you want to be positive and you want people to help you, you've got to help yourself. But if you keep moaning and keep saying and deleting everything and saying, I'm done with you. I know that's very strong, but I'm not going to mollycoddle and wrap you up in cotton wool. I've been here to help you, but I'm not going to carry you. You've got to carry yourself. Everybody will support you. I am done with this now. No more negativity. I've cancelled X. What's all that about? I was arranging a meetup with you in person and you've deleted it for free. So that's it, Bill. No more negativity. You be positive, we all grow. You be negative, I'm done with it. I don't have any negativity. Anyone comes on the channel is a troll, negative, I ban them, I get rid of them. I have nothing to do with negative people. Ever. Zero tolerance for that. There are people dying in wars, people starving, people with cancer, people with all sorts of diseases who don't moan at everything. So I'm not doing it anymore. Right, Bill? That's it. Sorry if that's strong. In fact, no, I don't apologize. I didn't do anything offensive there. You got to be straight with people sometimes. Let's have a look. Hello, Beeb, watching for a while. Great group. Martin is great. Thank you, Shoulder Hot. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. Anyway, is there any extra membership offered again? May I please take? Is there any extra membership offered again? Yes, you just go into the extra channel, it's there. Here's the extra membership. Here it is. Today is the membership founder members day. So anyone today who's a member on the extra channel, anyone who's a member today on the extra channel is a founder member, is going to get extra perks and benefits as we grow in time. Absolutely right. There it is. It's only 99 cents. Everyone can afford to do it. Right? Everyone. Anyway. That's right, Chris. You can't talk because it's members only. The channel is a members only channel. It's there for members only. If you go in and you click that link I've just given you, you can become a member. All right. Hi all, Queen of Celebrating. What else do I need to be a part of the Discord? I definitely want to be in that. There's a lot of support there with Ed Nevius, the scalp trading. You need to watch the video to learn how to be on how to access it. Did you watch it? There's no ads on the video. It's an informational video. Here it is. The how and why video. This will tell you how to get on Discord. There are so many benefits and perks. I can't explain them all. It's in that video. I'm not replying to Bill's comments now. They're all negative and they're all untrue. I'm not even going to respond to what he just said to Stacey. He can be in there and he can win a membership, but he doesn't want to. He just wants to be negative. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing negative on my show. What about microcloud, hologram market? I'm going to come to it in a second. I agree about Bill. I don't like negativity either. Doesn't help. Doesn't help him. Doesn't help anyone. Bill's not helping himself. He's doing it to himself on purpose. And if you are negative on purpose, I'm not interested. There are people with far worse problems. I just want to know if they can actually put physical items in the matrix so I can have the well, I gave him the chance. Can't help people who won't help themselves. That's right. Absolutely right. That's absolutely right. Thanks again, Stacey Bailey. Hey, Mike. I am straight with people all the time. Absolutely. Yeah, I've been watching you for a while. I appreciate everything you do. Tilray back to 107, boss man. Tough love. Absolutely right. There's nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Everything else is just rubbish. Waste of time. Waste of my energy. Waste of my energy. Now, next video. See, I'm wasting time when I could be doing things to help people make money. Tilray. 149. $149. TLRY. Right, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tilray, was I right? Did it do exactly what I said it would to the second? Yep. I'm even going to prove it to you. This is the video I put out a few days ago about a 10% crash. I do believe we'll get a 10% crash on the market because inflation is sticky. I don't think the rates are going to go up. We had a CPI hot report this morning. Markets overreacted, of course. And what happened to Tilray? Well, of course it went down because it's speculative, it's pre-earnings. I said the bottom was $2. Under $2, that's the buying price, no doubt about it. It went to $2 and it sat at $2 this morning, exactly where I said it would sit. And then it went down on the CPI print. No surprise, it went all the way down. Look how much it went down by. It went down by, where was it there? 5% there. It's now up, so it's a 6% swing. So this was a massive opportunity today. Now then, can it go back down again? We will have probably a more sell-off Friday because I still believe we've got more to come. We've got an immediate reaction, so the market sold off. This is now a trading position. Anything under $2 is a good buy for Tilray. You could have bought the dip this morning on the announcement of the CPI print because it's gone hot. Not on the month-on-month and all the rest of it, but on the year overall, it's up. And it's not up by a lot. It's just it's not gone down like the market anticipated. That's why the market has been rallying 30% this year. We are expecting a 10% correction, which is healthy. Can't keep going forever. You pull back, new investors come into the market. But what we got now is anything under $2 is a buy for Tilray. You might like to trade this now because we might get more of this. We might get more of this on Friday. We might get a sell-off on Friday. We've also got the FOMC report coming in June, which is not that far away. We're in April now, and people now are pricing in a rate hike. Now, I don't think we're going to get a rate hike, but you might get a rate hike. I don't see it, but the market is starting to think there will be. So there's going to be volatility, and things like Virgin Galactic and things like Tilray and speculative stocks like that are going to be very volatile, but under $2 is good. We will get legislation. We will get safe banking. We will get Schedule 3, and I predict it will happen before November because it's a vote winner. It's a vote winner for the election. Now, they don't care about your investment. They're not like trying to push it through so you all make money on Tilray, apart from Nancy Pelosi, may be different. But as far as all you're concerned, they're not concerned with that, but they are concerned about your vote. And I do think it will get pushed through sooner than later. So I think it's important to note that this stock will still be volatile. We still get downward pressure, but anything under $2 is a good buy. You might want to keep trading it, buying at 180, selling it at 220, buying at 180, selling it. I mean, you can do that, or you could just start to accumulate every time it goes under $2. But this is no surprise to me. It's done exactly what I expected, and I'm backing that up with my words. I told you about it. There it is, 5 days ago. The information was out. I could see it as clear as day. I even started to buy the S&P on the dip. It didn't go low enough today for me to buy any more, but I'm backing up with my own purchases. There you go. Tilray Brands, great day today. I hope you picked up the dip. Undervalued, that was great. Remember though, SNDL is probably the better buy. I'm just saying, check out my comparison video. Above my head, down below, more links on Members Founders Day today. Become a member of the Extra channel. Today, everyone has become a member. Well, apart from Bill. Everybody else is, in fact, Bill wasn't a member. So my members here are all becoming members on the Extra channel. And it's really, really exciting. And everyone's got a mug as well, which is absolutely amazing. Go and check it out. There's going to be exclusive founder member deals, and founder members is only today. Tomorrow, you're not a founder member. Your badge will always be 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year behind everybody else. All right, above my head, down below, over here, over here. Tilray Brands, what a great day. Did you buy the dip? Leave me your thoughts below. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Money time, Chris Schultz, agreed. There you go. Everyone's agreed with my tough love for Bill. The only person that didn't like it was Bill. Well, I'm sorry, but that's the way it is. And Bill has said, okay, I'm done. Bye. All right, Bill will come back, but if he comes back and he's rude now, I'll ban him from the channel. I'll go that far. Awful, isn't it? But that's where we've got now. Destiny Tech 100 is crashing. Oh, my God. Right, hang on then. Let me cover that next. Right, hang on. I did Tilray. I'm going for all of these. Tilray, Robinhood, IonQ, Rocket Lab, Plug, DXYZ. All right. Thank you for the video, Martin. Chris Schultz, you're very welcome. Chris Schultz is saying, can I look at PACB? I will come to that in a second. Just think everyone might miss out here. All right, I've got to do this first. Time. 1:56. 1:56. DXYZ. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Destiny Tech, DXYZ. What's happening? It's crashing. Is there a surprise? Anyone's getting surprised by this? You shouldn't be. There's no reason at all. And let me explain what's going on this morning. And let's pan out as well. Let's make a little bit of a pan out. We were up over 1,000%, 1,200%. Why? Because everyone loves Elon Musk, SpaceX, exactly what Tesla did. Everyone overbought it. No one listened to Elon Musk, even though they say they're a fanboy, because they are. They don't listen. Elon Musk tells you it's too expensive. SpaceX is what you're buying with this particular collection of stocks. It's like an ETF, if you like. And the trouble is, though, I'm going to explain the downside to this. DXYZ Great, it popped up 1,200%. Now, if you were watching my videos, you will know I called for everyone, sell it. You're 1,000% up. If you're 1,000% up and you don't sell, you're stark, bonkers, crazy, mad. I can't say it enough. That's 10 years of the best 500 companies in the world perform that return, and yet you didn't take it, then you are barking mad. The opportunity was there. The opportunity was screaming at you to take it. 1,000%. Some of you took it. Some of you didn't. Some of you FOMO'd in. More for you. I told you not to do it. However, some of you did. I didn't. I didn't FOMO at all. Now then, it's come down. Why has it come down, and how much lower can it go? It's come down today because it's correcting. It's still up, and we need to be clear, it's still up 500%. You've still made a ton of money. However, it's not 1,200% anymore. It's correcting. Why is it correcting? Two reasons. First of all, an overreaction to the CPI today. Markets came down, everything came down. Makes sense because we think we're going to get rate hikes and blah, blah, blah. But that won't affect this stock. This shouldn't affect this stock. It affects people's sentiment, and they will sell and drive it down because they think, oh, the markets are going to go down, I'm going to get out. And so it does go down. And then people go, oh my God, it's going down, so I'm getting out. And it's just like a bunch of lemmings running over a cliff, everyone running around following everybody. Kind of makes sense, right? That's what's happening today. But that isn't why it's down so much today. It's down because this stock is now getting traction online. It's getting talked about. People are hearing it. My videos are trending on Google and YouTube, which is great. People are talking about it, and they are realizing with what we said in the first video. It's great because SpaceX is in there. I don't care about Discord. I don't care about the other things that are in there. I specifically care about SpaceX. Now, why is it coming down? Well, because SpaceX at the time was about 33-34% of the fund. So it's a bit like Nvidia is heavy weighted in the S&P. Okay, be it only 7% or Microsoft 7%. But nevertheless, SpaceX has that massive amount. The trouble is, though, they are now adding more to the fund. So I would imagine that SpaceX is going to get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. The power of SpaceX is going to get less and less and less. So it's going to get diluted. The power of SpaceX is going to get diluted. So what we're going to get is other innovative companies that maybe aren't so good. Now, the people that's setting up this fund don't have the history, and they also don't have the credibility. If you look at the CEO and study his history, it's not all that great. They don't have the history and the stability and the knowledge and the understanding and experience of bringing in the right companies. The rest might not be quite so good. We don't know. We don't know what they're going to be. You know when you buy the S&P what the 500 are. Yes, they change over time. Some fall out, some get added, but you know what you've got today. With this fund, you don't know what you're going to get tomorrow, and they're going to be scrambling around, these new people with new ideas, without the experience, going, oh, this sounds good, and what if it's not? What if it's not? There are many, many funds set up that aren't as good or even close to the S&P. Why would this be any different? Why would this be any different? People bought it for SpaceX. Now, of course, SpaceX is private at the moment, but that who knows if that might change in the future. I doubt it. I doubt if SpaceX will ever go public. But the point is, there'll be more and more other companies coming in to dilute SpaceX, and this can go all the way back down again. Now then, is it wrong then to buy it? We needed it to correct because it was overvalued. We looked at the market cap of the company and how much they invested in SpaceX and all the rest of it, and it was overbought. Just like Tesla, when Tesla went up, it was overbought. Everyone gets too excited. We see this time and time and time again. So yes, it's too expensive. 1,000% profit, of course you take it. Didn't you take it? Well, that's up to you. I told you about it, and I also told you that we were going to get a 10% correction, and it's already started, and there is the video below here. I'll show you, look, there it is. 5 days ago, so you can see I'm not making this stuff up. Look, 5 days ago, there is the video. And I also put the video about what I'm telling you now on the day we talked about Destiny when it first came out. We talked about it when it was $8 and all the rest of it. So, is it worth a buy right now? For me, yes. For me, yes, it is. Now, as I said before, when it was at this level on the way up, I'm going to say exactly the same thing again. Same thing, same message, nothing changes. You know, markets go up, markets come down, but principles remain the same. Standards, discipline remains the same. I want to buy SpaceX. I like SpaceX. Of course, I want to own SpaceX. However, there's going to be more and this will be diluted. But right now, we've got a 50% discount from where it was a few days ago. Is it expensive? Yes. Am I overpaying? Yes. Don't be under any illusion. However, SpaceX, I believe in for the future, is going to go through the roof. We don't know how high it can go. So even if it's only 2%, 3%, 4%, and I'm thinking they'll always have SpaceX as the top stock, like Microsoft, Nvidia. It'll always probably be the 7, 8% like the S&P is. So it'll always have the most weight, but it's going to grow so much that you can make it. Now, so because of, and I've always said this, I am always prepared to spend over 25% over value on a great stock. A great growth stock. Well, you're not going to get much better than SpaceX for a high growth stock. You're not going to, it just doesn't exist. There probably isn't a better company in the world, and there probably never will be a company ever to have the growth potential of SpaceX. So this is the way I'm playing it. If I was buying this, and of course I don't, because I only buy the S&P because that's the policy of my show. I'm not here to pump stock. I'm not here to benefit from it. I'm here to just give you the facts. And if I was in it, I could be accused of pumping and dumping. But here's my strategy if I was not doing a YouTube channel for your benefit and just thinking of myself. If I was thinking of myself, I would absolutely buy Destiny today. 100%. What I would do, 100%. I would go, right, I've got $1,000, no more, that's my budget, whatever it would be. For me, it would be about $5,000. All right, so let's call it what it is. Got $5,000. That's what I would spend today on this. I would put $2.5 grand in now. $2.5 grand, boom. I'd buy $2.5 grand right now. And every time it drops 20, 30%, I will incrementally, it will go up until I've spent the $5,000. That's it. I'll never buy any more. Don't need to buy any more because $5,000 in 20 years could be $100,000 with SpaceX. Don't need to buy any more. I would certainly buy it in my IRA, Roth or traditional or ISA in the UK. That way, if I buy it in my IRA or my ISA in the UK, I can trade it and take profits because it will be volatile. So basically, what would happen is it'll go up again, 100%, 200%. I will take my seed money out. My money's out. I'm now playing with the house's money, and I can build my position with the free money. I've got no risk. My money's back in the S&P again. No risk, no drama, and I can build my position over time like that. That's my strategy. That's how I'd make money. Very confident of that. Would have no issue with doing that. And I'm 100% sure I'd make money. That's my strategy. Click above my head, down below in the description. Over here and over here, the extra channel is now running 12 hours a day. More stuff is going to be added for our members only channel. And today was an amazing day. Everyone became a member. It's Founder Members Day today. Only one day. It's the only day you can become a founder member. And founder members are going to get extra benefits. Just wait until I bring out my crypto coin and everyone gets what's it called? Pre-IPO price, exclusive, early buy-ins for the members. All of this is going to come to my members. It's great. There you go. Till next time. What a great day. And by the way, everyone became a member and everyone bought a commemorative mug as well. Links below for all of that. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Fate, I have to focus on my members. You're not one of my members, I'm afraid, of the channel, so I have to focus on the members' request first. I vote to never hear about microcloud again. It's rubbish. It's a rubbish stock. Tilray 216. Yeah, I can't wait to put the video out. Tilray. Yeah, there it is. No surprise. No surprise at all. It was nearly over 100, so yeah, you're late to the party. Okay. Now then. What we're doing now. Members' requests. I've got to end the show in a minute. I've got to lots of work to do. I've got a request here on N. Holmeren. Extra, please add me, SNF on Discord. Right, okay, let's have a look. There you go. This is a member of the channel, wants to add me on Discord. Let me go and check. Look at all these mugs. I can't, oh my gosh, there's more. Oh my gosh, there's more mugs. Been sold. Look at this, a pink one, a red one. Oh my, how many is that? Another red one. A white one. A blue one. Flipping heck. Like everybody, right? Okay, let's go to pending then. Right, you've not sent me a friend request. So I need you to, where are you a minute? N. Holmeren, SNWF on Discord. Is that your username? SNWF. You need to send a friend request. I've given you the information. You need to do this. Send a friend request to Martyn Lucas. In fact, I need to. So let me do this now. You've got to here it is. There's that. And now I'm going to give you this. You got to follow the rules properly. It's all done for security and benefit to the members. Remember, it always benefits the members. Everything is about benefiting the members. I did send a friend request. Okay, let me go and look. Let me go and look again. Okay, you said you sent me a friend request. SWNF. Let me go to Discord. There it is. Now I see it. Okay, SNWF. Right. I need to make sure you are on Discord as a member. Members. Let me put you in here. There you go. There you are. Member. There you go. Member. And your name on here is N. Holmeren. N. Holmeren. I've got to make sure I do it right. N. Holmeren. N. Holmeren. Got the same name. Holmeren. N. Holmeren. Let me make sure I spelt it correctly. You're welcome. No problem at all. Here to help. Holmeren. Okay. Holmeren. Yeah, that's done. Done that. I can now accept you as a friend. Friend request. Yes, accept that. And you get the immediate message. And if if you've watched the video, it'll tell you you're expecting to get these 2 words from me. All done. There you go. Do not accept any friend requests from anybody else called Martyn Lucas. Right, I've got another friend request. That's Jens K. Jens K. Hi from Germany. You remember as well, Jens K. You've sent me a friend request. Give me your username, please. You've got to have watched followed the rules. Give me your username from Germany. Give me your username in the chat, and I can upgrade that if I know it's you. I need your username in the chat. So look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go. Hey Jens. Hey Jens from Germany. Welcome to you. Please give me your Discord username and I will accept your friend request and upgrade you into Discord. Welcome to the family.
Hallo Jen aus Deutschland. Willkommen bei dir. Bitte gib mir deinen Discord-Benutzernamen und ich werde deine Freundschaftsanfrage annehmen und dich auf Discord upgraden. Willkommen in der Familie.
Okay. let me come back to Discord. Waiting for Jens K to give me his username here in the chat. Destiny's coming up like we said it would. And the markets are coming up like we said it would. Oh, there we go. Right. He's done it now. JP. Yep, that's you. Ed Nevius. Is Ed Nevius here? He's going to be busy. Flipping heck, Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius, you're going to be so busy, mate. Ed Nevius. His channel is very, very popular. Very popular. Jens K. YouTube member. There you go. And Jens K. Change nickname. Oh, you've done it already. Exactly as it should be. Thank you. Accept friend request. Done. 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 All done. There you go, Jens. Please do not accept any friend requests from anybody else called Martyn Lucas. They're not me. Done. I've got one here. I'm going to delete this today. I've been waiting, Mr. DLNJN. I will delete that today because I don't know who you are, and I can't have you on the channel if I don't know who you are. All done. Great. Thank you. You're very welcome. There's the most popular channel. This is our Ed Nevius' scalp trading. You'll see all of these in green here. These are the Discord premium server members. These have a heart of gold. These are the ones that provide the server for everybody. They also boost the server and make it better. These are the premium Discord server members, and they're very, very busy with their scalp trades with Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius, are you in the chat today? Come on in. Right, there we go. I've done all that. I've got to get off and put these videos out. 007 license to trade. Buckaroony, hey brother, how have you been? Nice, Steve Wally. Someone said something really funny a minute ago. I think it was, hang on a minute, let me come back to it. Family, can you please save me a mug? I don't get paid till 3 o'clock. I doubt if there'll be any left, to be honest. I mean, it's crazy. Martin, I'm curious. Could you poll the audience? I would like to know how many metal mugs were bought versus ceramic. Maybe in the future, you could add a permanent metal mug. Yeah, it's interesting to know. Yeah. Okay, I'll poll the audience as a membership perk. You can get that. Start a poll. Only vote if you bought a mug. Only vote if you bought a mug, metal or ceramic or both. Okay. Only vote if you bought a mug, metal or ceramic or both. Metal, ceramic, both. There you go. There you go. Only vote if you didn't buy anything. Don't vote, please. Only vote if you bought a mug, metal or ceramic or both. I could now poll the audience on the other channel, and it's members only. Even easier. Anyway, there you go. I'll poll here. Lucas AIDS. Yes, Seth, I bought one of each. Oh, flipping heck. Have a good day, everyone. Off to work. Hi, John and Eric. Good morning, Stephen. Hi, hey, Bon James. Nice. Hi, all. Buckaroony. Been away a while. Business and all that. Buckaroony. 6 months. Are you a member of the the family on the founder members? Buckaroony, you missed a big thing this morning. Did you get the video? Do you know all about it? Anyway, hope it's okay. Yes, it is. Ed is a rock star. Yes, he is. I know some bought both, but figured out, but majority would show. Let's have a look. Yeah. Let's have a look. Ceramic 50%, metal 33, both 17. We've got 6 votes so far. There's about, I think, 30 sold. So we should get about 30. We should get about 30 votes, I think, somewhat like that, if everyone votes on it. Right. Okay. We've got more members just coming in. We've got welcome to special guest GSXREM. GSXREM, nice. Off to get my mug now. Thanks. I'm like, I can't believe it. No, mate, I've been flat out of. Oh, how are you? I'll go back and have a look later. Buckaroony. Oh no. Should we tell him what's going on? Buckaroony. It's too much to tell you, isn't it, really? But basically, Buckaroony, we just got membership on the extra channel, right? And everyone's gone, look, everyone's become a member. Look at this. Like everyone, right? And I mean everyone. Look, everyone. The point of it is we have a special day today, and if you do it today, you'll become a founder member. We've got more and more perks coming out for the extra channel, 12 hours a day stream. We've got charts. I got deals coming up with Seeking Alpha, other people that are providing me great stuff. We've got the crypto coin that I want to do, that my founder members get a better deal, all of these things. And the point is everyone who becomes a member today is a founder member. and they're a member on day one, so all their badges will be the same, and they can be recognized as a founder member. It's a one-off. After tomorrow, it's normal, right? Anyway, there's loads of videos explaining it. It's on all my social media. I hope that all my members would see it. I hope no one's missed it. Anyway, did you see our calendar idea, Martin? Did you see our calendar idea, Martin? Did I miss it? I must have a calendar. Oh, talking of which, look, I've got this to show you. And Stacey Bailey, you'll be in this soon. Not today, but soon. You ready? You ready? Okay, you ready? Here it comes. Here we go. Oh, got to mute that. That's I don't want that. I don't want the funky music. Look at these. These are all the members. These are all the members who've got mugs. And don't forget, when you get your new mug, send it in, and there'll be a special video for this as well. All right. Look at this. Awesome, isn't it? How about this? There's Yardstick, look. Yardstick, there's Bill. Yardstick's missed out today. How cool is that? There's all the Lucas mugs. I love it. Got a nice tin mug. It's not tin. It's not tin, mate. It's metal. It's metal. All right. Tin's metal though, isn't it? Really. So I shouldn't say that, really. Is it stainless steel in it? Is it stainless steel or aluminium? I don't know. It's not tin. I don't think it's tin, is it? Anyway, happy to be a founder member. Basically, Martin's on the verge of emotional breakdown because with all the love, we all love him, and because became members and bought mugs. To be a member, buy a mug and make him cry. No, don't. I got really emotional earlier. I was on the edge of crying. It was like, this is nuts. Anyway, got a nice tin mug too. I look great. Ed Spitzer, yes. Alex is here. How you doing, guys? Lovely to see you here. Yes, the founder members today on the new channel. It's absolutely gone nuts. Everyone's a member. Everyone's got a mug, and I can't wait till we can. All the money will go up for 99 cents. 99 cents, and you can get. Anyway, you all know about it. I've put all the videos out. Anyone who doesn't know about it hasn't been paying attention, right? And that's why it's the founder members. So I'm going to get off. We're getting another drop now, which is great. Virgin Galactic is doing exactly what we said. I've got to put this video out because people need to know what's going on. So the video is going to go out in a minute. Happy either way. Yeah. Happy either way. Tin, metal, I ain't bothered. Right, okay. We're all good. Have I got time? I've got time. I've got something to do for. So there you go. So far, it's. So I end the poll so everyone can see. People are watching on the extra channel. If you're on the extra channel, guys, can you just vote on the main channel? We're just having a poll. Can you just vote on the main? Just a second. Just jump out. I know you don't. Just jump out of the extra channel just for a moment and vote. I want to find out. One of our members asked what the deal is, who got what, but it looks like the ceramic mug 45%. Anyway, I'll give it one more minute and I'll end it. You're not a member and no one cares about you're not a member and no one cares about microcloud. Microcloud is a scam. It's ridiculous. It's rubbish. I've covered it time and time again. and Kevin B, I've got your video to do. So what I'm going to do, because I'm literally overwhelmed, I'm blown away by the amount of love and support today. I mean, I just couldn't believe it. So what I'm going to do, I've got to end now, put these emergency videos out for people about Tilray and Virgin Galactic and the markets and the FOMs, the CPI, all of that. And I'm going to come back early. And I've got your video to do. You want to know about SMX, all right? You've sent me some information into Discord, right? Have I got anybody else to upgrade to Discord before I go? I think we're good. Oh, we've just done another mug. The mugs are nearly sold out now. They're nearly sold out. There was a limited supply, and I didn't expect to sell so many so quick. So we've just sold another one. It's a white one this time. Look, all these mugs today were within minutes. Member on day one. Look at it. I only did a small amount, but yeah, it's virtually sold out. So it was designed to sell out on day one, but I didn't expect to have so many. I should have put some more out. Anyway, too late now. Anyway, you can make money on it. It's not worth reviewing. It's just you can make money on it. It's not worth reviewing. It's just a collection. Wow, I thought the metal mug was the most bought him. Well, that's still great. Okay, I'm going to end the poll now. End the poll. Here we go. There you go. Right, okay. Going to get off now. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to get off. I'm going to put these videos out. The extra channel is going to continue. The extra channel, you know all about it, so I don't need to tell you. Let me redirect you there now. So you can carry on there, and I'll update things. You can put breaking news in there, information in there. Let me know what's going on. I can come back early. I can report things. It's there all the time. And soon we're going to get extra perks as well with the extra channel. Let me just give you a little taster of what's coming. This is what the extra, the $1, the 99 cents was for. It's going to go into stuff like this. Watch this. Okay. I'm working on deals with Seeking Alpha and other people. If you watch closely here, all right, let me do it this way. Give you a little taste of what's coming. All right, just watch. So we're going to be adding new stuff. Obviously, you know, you've got the different angles around the studio. You know about all of this. But you can see we zoom into breaking news, what's going on. Also, there's going to be we're going to have things like this, crypto bubbles, stock trades. You're going to see all of these things. There's going to be trading screens. All right, there's going to be trading screen. This isn't how it's going to be. I'm just letting you know all the things that are coming. So there you go, just giving you a little bit of a taster of the things that are coming. That's all work in progress. And you're going to have this live like a Bloomberg, like a Bloomberg terminal. That's the idea. Great chat, great conversation. Bloomberg, you know, that Bloomberg terminal feel, you know, information that you can get, and, you know, hot information, everyone's sharing it. That's what it's all about. Anyway, Martyn is going to throw away all the day one mugs left over tomorrow. Yeah, I'll burn them all. There'll be none left. I've got to order one. I just realized that. Damn it. yeah. Right, I've got to go get these videos out. So thank you ever so much today. Let me just wrap this up. Any more questions? True Gamble? Yes. Hollow is, yes. Hologram, yes. Right. Let me give everyone the link. If you want to join the extra channel, it's going to keep growing and growing. There it is. Let me go and just jump into my Rumblers. Wonderful to have you all this morning. If Rumble keeps growing the way it's growing, I will have the extra channel on Rumble as well. At the moment, it's not viable. I only make about 20 cents a day now on Rumble, but it's starting to grow. It's starting to get better. If Rumble continues, I will start to put the extra channel on Rumble too, because Rumble is I've got 990 followers now, so we are growing. We have a subscriber over there, which is the same as a member. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you all back for the closing bell, and that's it. We're all going now over to the extra channel. Just want to finish up with this. Thank you ever so much, everybody. I was completely overwhelmed today. I didn't expect everyone to become a member and everyone to buy a mug. I couldn't believe it. It was amazing. Thank you so much. This is the best job in the world. I nearly got to cry, but not quite. I promise that I will make the channel better and better all the time. It's going to be live all the time. It's members only on the extra channel. It's there as a support system to help people. Always positive though. No negativity there. Members only. No trolls, no bots, no scammers. You can ask the family anything. Anyone can support each other. There's more and more things are going to be added to it. All the charts are going to be coming soon and all that stuff. And thank you so much for all your support. I just cannot believe sometimes how this is all growing. And we're definitely going to be the best financial channel in the world. And I think we're going to have 10 million subscribers in 7 years. I don't think there's any doubt about it. That's why Seeking Alpha yesterday spoke to me and want to do some exclusive deals they don't even do with Meet Kevin and Graham Stephan and others. And I know where we're going because we have the support here. It's all about positive love, commitment, hard work, dedication. And it's not about getting everybody in and everyone signed up. It's about just getting the right people, the best people. That's why I shut everything down, making it members only and exclusive. We want it to be a really good, solid club. Anyway, Martin, you could review Dung, and we would all love you. You truly are a great person, and that's why we come together the way we do. I can only imagine. Seth. Thanks for all your hard work and positive energy, Martin. The Lucasades are here to support you and help you grow, said James. What a great day. Thanks, Martin. John, you're very welcome. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the extra channel. I promise I'll upgrade the music at some point. It's coming. All right. Until then, I'll see you back later on. What a day. Always be positive. Always dream. Always work hard. Always put people first. And it's amazing. The love you take with you, it never goes away. It just keeps growing. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. Most importantly, take care of each other. See you in a bit. Bye-bye for now.